In this video, we're going to show you how you can export data from Autodesk Advanced Steel to ROMAC Production Control software. To export from the Advanced Steel model, just simply select the Export KISS icon available in the Export and Import ribbon and generate a KISS file, which is a single file containing fabrication-related data from the 3D model. Once we've done that, we'll enter ROMAC Production Control, and we'll first open the job, and we'll search for the job that we want to import the KISS data into, which is right here, ABC Warehouse. Open that, and then we'll go up here to the toolbar to the import button. We'll click that. We'll go here, and here's the types of data we can import. We'll go to the KISS format data. Once we select that, we'll see a list, and we'll search through our computer to find the correct KISS data file, which is right here. We'll open that, and we'll review to make sure this is the right KISS data file, the right job, etc. We can convert material specs or material descriptions if we need to. For right now, we'll just import the data by clicking this button, and you'll see in real time that it only takes a few seconds to import 10 drawings. So here we have the 10 drawings that have been imported, which composes of 207 total items. We'll close that, and now we'll go to our shop bill of material up here to look at our drawing. Let me resize this screen for you. We'll go here and we'll browse for the drawing number we want to open. You can see all 10 drawings are here. We'll open S1, and then we'll go to the Steel Bill of Material tab to see the bill of material that's been imported correctly into Production Control. You can check the other sheets if you want. From there, you can do a shop cutting list. You can combine the material. You can do length nesting or plate nesting to minimize the waste on a job. You can go to your task reporting, various things within Production Control. But that's just how easy it is to export a KISS data file from Autodesk Advanced Steel and then import it into ROMAC Production Control.